Hello, my name is Carly. We are going to have some fun today transforming 10 anime styles in Midjourney version 6. And we are rendering these anime images without using Midjourney's Ninja feature. I'm doing this for two reasons. First, at the time of this video release, Ninja is not available for version 6. And second, I'd like you to see how the anime styles can be greatly enhanced just by using the higher stylized values. I'll show you 8 images in the style of 10 popular anime artists. 4 of the images will be a low stylized value for closely matching the artist's current work, and the next 4 will have a stylized value of 700 that should make the art really pop. As always, I'll provide you with a free document with prompts related to sample images I've used in this video, along with information about each anime artist I'm highlighting here. Let's get started. The artist, Katsuhiro Otomo, gained fame for creating the manga and its anime adaptation Akira, which is a cornerstone of the cyberpunk genre. His style is influenced by European comics, especially the works of Moebius and Enki Bilal. He draws intricate details, dynamic action, and emotionally charged narratives. He is known for his cyberpunk and sci-fi works, such as Akira and Steam Boy, which depict dystopian futures, social commentary, and human-machine hybrids. I really love the vivid colors that come with stylized 700. Masashi Kishimoto is the creator of Naruto, one of the most popular and best-selling manga series in the world. His style is influenced by Akira Toriyama and other shonen manga artists. He draws characters with spiky hair, sharp eyes, and muscular bodies. He also draws elaborate and unique costumes, weapons, and accessories for his characters, especially the ninja tools and outfits. The artist, Hayao Miyazaki, is a co-founder of Studio Ghibli, renowned for his work in films like Spirited Away and My Neighbor Totoro. His style is influenced by traditional Japanese art, European comics, and Disney animation. He uses soft and painterly backgrounds with more simplified yet expressive characters. He often depicts nature and technology in contrast or harmony, and creates fantastical worlds and creatures. Tite Kubo is best known for his work on Bleach, a popular manga and anime series. His style is influenced not only by manga and anime, but also Western comics, especially the works of Jim Lee and Joe Madureira. He draws characters with sleek and stylish features, dynamic poses, and sometimes intricate tattoos. He also draws minimalist and abstract backgrounds, focusing on the characters and their actions. His creation, called Bleach, is a series that revolves around shinigami, spirits, and swords. The artist, Takeshi Obata, is renowned for his work on popular manga like Death Note and Bakuman. His style is rare among shonen artists, not only for the detail of his drawings, but in his love for fashion. He draws stylish and trendy clothes and accessories for his characters, as well as complex and varied backgrounds. He usually works as an illustrator in collaboration with a writer, and in addition to Death Note and Bakuman, he has created several successful series, such as Hikaru no Go and Platinum End. Eiichiro Oda is known for creating One Piece, held up as the best-selling manga series in history. In addition to manga and anime, his style is influenced by Western cartoons. He draws characters with exaggerated and distinctive features, such as big noses, long limbs, and bizarre shapes. He also draws colorful and imaginative settings, creatures, and objects, often inspired by pirates, fantasy, and folklore. Not only is One Piece the best-selling manga series, but it is also a cultural phenomenon. The amazing artist, Naoko Takeuchi, is the creator of the iconic Sailor Moon series, which has become a global sensation. Her style is very feminine and gorgeous, with light yet bold lines and facial features. She draws wispy and magical effects, as well as fashionable and trendy outfits. Her famous series Sailor Moon features a group of female superheroes with cosmic powers and romantic subplots. She also incorporates elements of astrology, mythology, and folklore in her works. Makoto Shinkai is known for his visually stunning and emotionally rich films, such as Your Name and Weathering with You. His style is characterized by a heightened version of reality, with unnaturally shiny objects and saturated colors. He uses a harsh contrast between light and shadow to create textures and depth. He also employs lens flares and fisheye perspective to mimic how a camera sees light. His stories often explore themes of distance, longing, and connection. The artist Hiromu Arakawa is the creator of Fullmetal Alchemist, known for its deep storytelling and complex characters. In addition to being influenced by manga and anime, Hiromu is also influenced by Western comics. She draws characters with round and cute faces, expressive eyes, and realistic proportions. She also draws detailed and realistic backgrounds, often depicting rural and urban environments. The aforementioned Fullmetal Alchemist is a critically acclaimed and award-winning manga and anime series that combines alchemy, adventure, and drama. Yoshiyuki Sadamoto is the character designer for many of Gainax's and Studio Korra's works, including Neon Genesis Evangelion. His style is influenced by anime and manga, as well as Western comics and Western art. He draws realistic and detailed characters, with distinctive facial expressions and body proportions. In addition to Neon Genesis Evangelion, he is known for his character designs for other popular anime series, including FLCL and Wolf's Rain. He also draws his own manga, such as Der Monde and Campus. Thank you for reviewing these incredible anime artist styles in version 6 with me. I really love exploring this genre of aesthetics. They are both fun and colorful. Using the high values of stylize really bring an extra punch to the anime images. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, so that I may bring more content your way. Thank you for your support and comments. Please add any suggestions regarding future content. See you soon. Bye bye.